Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog will be a solo date. So I'm currently at a cafe called New General Cafe. I got this pop star, which I heard was really good on TikTok. And I also got this strawberry, or it's regular matcha, but like, I guess they put strawberry syrup in it. You can't really see it. Really excited for today's vlog. I'm going to go to a scenic boat tour after this, and then hopefully the farmer's market. I want to actually get into reading a little bit at this cafe. I'm reading The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I've been putting this book on my stories, on my TikTok posts, and every time I post it, everyone's like, this book is so good. Like literally just now, I'm at this cafe and this girl walking by was like, oh my gosh, that book is so good. It is really good so far. I am like 80% done and it's really interesting. As of right now, I should finish it by the time I leave this place, but I'm like that much left. Excited for that. As you guys know, I've still been figuring out my taste when it comes to just books and what genres I like the best. I've been dipping a lot into fantasy. I don't know if my favorite books, I guess, consist of things that remind me of real life, if that makes sense. I guess it takes away that escapism for me in a sense, to where it's like things that are happening in this book can definitely happen in real life. Literally, well, yesterday I was reading this book and I was like bawling, crying. I don't know if I'm just sensitive. And also, I feel like I'm starting to see like why romance books, like those rom-coms, are really popular, because I feel like they provide a comfort versus books like this, which is like, this is a good book. Don't get me wrong. It's not like emotional and sad or whatever. It's really good. But I think for me, I see why people lean towards like rom-coms, because there's like a comfort with it and it's like a predictability and it feels like safe, versus like reading books that kind of remind you of real life. They don't feel as safe, if that makes sense. Anyway, I feel like I'm yapping, but yeah, I definitely want to explore this area as well too. I used to come out here all the time. I'm going to read, and then maybe after the farmer's market, I might go to a bookstore. I honestly don't have any business buying any other books right now. I did buy another book called The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. Obviously it's a self-help book, and you guys know that like I was deep into my self-help era for like the past couple of years. I just started getting out of that and reading more just regular fiction books. I think this book would be really interesting. I also heard like a lot of positive reviews about it as well too, so I think overall it would be like a good book. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my breakfast and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so change of plans. My boat tour won't leave until the next hour, so I have a whole hour to actually explore the farmer's market first and then come back for the tour. Yeah, let's go to the farmer's market.
The answer is no. You'll see why we go under bridges.
Well, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. My name is Don. I'll be your guide for the next hour from Virginia. He bought 6 acres on the lake that we're headed to. Our lakes are natural, the canals are not. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Fern Canal. Now, if you look to your left and up, that's a very good example. That's a southern pine tree. That tree's 100 years old, and it's almost as large at the top as it is at the bottom. That's the type of wood that they were harvesting from this area from 1860 to 1890. Welcome to Lake Virginia. Now, Lake Virginia today is known as the home of Rollins College. Music school, but in 1976 it was sold. That's been a private home ever since. Little secret about that house: nobody's grass is that green. That is all artificial turf. All the and behind the sidewalk you'll see the building with the red tile roof. Another museum, and that's my favorite. On your left, that beach is called Pinky Beach. The dock is Pinky Dock. That's the type of wood that they were pushing through these canals from 1860 to 1890. Welcome back to Lake Osceola. At this point,
Alright, just got back from my solo day. I wanted to do a quick little haul for you guys from things that I got from the farmer's market. The first thing I got was this matcha from Seven Rivers. I'm interested to see how this tastes. Looks really good, but this is how the actual like powder looks. But yeah, got matcha. The next thing I got was from scenic products. This is how it looks. This candle is really cute. Came in this cute like little box. It says let your light burn bright inside and out. Let's go ahead and unbox it. The packaging is so pretty. Okay, so I got this candle with like these little flowers on it. It smells like really fresh. She mentioned that they're all like soy based, I believe, but it smells really, really good. So I'm gonna put this somewhere in my living room, but look how pretty. And it matches like my outfit today. So that's also a plus. But yeah, got this candle. And then the last thing that I got was this bouquet of flowers. This is from the Flower Shack Orlando. So what I did, she pretty much told me that I have to like set a certain price for her, like let her know a price, and then she'll like put together a bouquet for me according to that price. So I told her $15. So look how gorgeous these came out, guys. Like I'm obsessed with how these flowers look, but it's so cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in some water. But yeah, that is it for my haul. The Winter Park boat tour was absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Like I can't believe I lived here majority of my life and I've never actually like been on that tour before. The scenery, being around the nature, like the water. We saw a bunch of different like houses that are by the lake, and my brain can't even fathom like how much money you have to like have, build, and own those homes. Like those homes, a lot of them were inspired by like Italy. If y'all don't know, I love Italy. It's one of my favorite places that I've ever traveled to. So seeing the homes and see how they were like, inspired by the architecture from Italy, it's just like stunning and brought back so much memories for me. I actually want to go again. I think I might go with my mom the next time I go. You should definitely check out Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. It's definitely worth it. But yeah, that's it for my little solo dates. I had a really good time. It's been a while since I've actually did a solo date, so I'm actually glad that this weekend I was able to like really be intentional with spending time with myself, quality time with myself, and doing things like this. So hope this inspired you to take care of yourself, nurture yourself, love yourself. But that is the end of today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.